Welcome to the XQ CPA channel. My name is Charlene. Today, I want to talk to you about our current economic situation. As of today, September of 2024, the US is not officially in a recession. A recession is typically defined as 2 consecutive quarters of declining GDP growth, accompanied by a rise in unemployment and other economic downturns. The Fed recently lowers interest rates to make borrowing cheaper, to encourage spending, and to support overall economic growth. It's a tool used to help economy recover from downturns and maintain stability, particularly during periods of slow growth or financial uncertainty. If you pay attention to the market today, there has been a rise in unemployment and there has been decrease in consumer spending. For example, some restaurants are closing because fewer people are going out to eat. This definitely has an effect on all small businesses across the country. So how do you survive in your business? I would like to share a few tips with you, so stay tuned. The first point is manage cash flow diligently. We all know cash is king. So in times of a downturn, it is important that as a business owner, you pay attention to your spending. Look for areas to cut unnecessary spending. Improve collections. If you have performed the work or services, make sure that you collect from customers on time. Delay non-essential investments and build cash reserve. What we recommend is at least 3 to 6 months. Second point, adapt your offerings. So you are a restaurant, you used to offer very long menu, but in times of difficulty, it gets expensive to carry all these food items. So what do? Adapt. Maybe streamline and make your menu smaller so that it's easier for you to cope in terms of maintaining the cost. The other thing to consider is maybe diversify your revenue stream. Maybe you are a shop offering a specific service, but in times of difficulty, in order to survive, maybe consider offering multiple services so that it is easier for you to upsell and cross-sell to the same pool of customers. Third point, strengthen customer relationships. Focus on cultivating the right relationships and experiences. It is important that in any service business or even non-service business, the customer experience is important. Focus on customer retention. Prioritize maintaining relationships with existing customers through loyalty programs, personalized services, or targeted marketing. Improve customer experience. Provide exceptional service which could set your business apart from competitors and encourage repeat business. Sometimes I just think that, as a service provider for many years, you need to find a sweet spot. I understand that you can't serve possibly everybody, but for the customer pools or the customers that you've been serving for many years, especially in difficult times, make sure that you pay attention to the customers who have been with you, especially for a long time and for multiple years. Fourth factor, optimize operations. This is extremely important in times of difficulty because you can't afford to waste. Streamline operations, automate processes, adopt cost-effective technologies to reduce operating expenses. Negotiate with suppliers. Work with suppliers to renegotiate terms such as discounts for bulk purchases, longer payment terms, more flexible delivery options, and last but not least, review staffing needs. If necessary, you might have to reduce their hours, or even sometimes, when you don't have a choice, a layoff. Sometimes in order to maintain the operations, you gotta do what it takes to keep, good employees. 5, monitor financial health. Typically we recommend that as a business owner, you need to make sure you have at least 3 to 6 months of working capital. So don't wait till last minute when your cash is running low. Ask and establish a line of credit with a financial institution that you are familiar with so that you are prepared and you have a backup plan in times of emergency. Access financing option. If cash flow is a concern, explore different options, loans, grants, and work with lenders for favorable terms on line of credits or loans before it is too late. Point number 6, stay positive. Times are difficult, so what it takes is the right attitude. Don't give up easily. Develop a contingency plan, create a what-if plan for different economic scenarios so you are prepared for further challenges. So these are the steps that one can consider in times of difficulty, especially you are a business owner. By focusing on cash flow, optimizing operations, and remain adaptable to changes, being flexible, small business can navigate economic downturns and come out stronger on the other side. I understand that especially for some small business owners, it's difficult to get by, especially when costs is rising, everything is expensive, but your customers are not ready for any price increase. But I would like to encourage everybody, hang in there, get consultation, talk to your business coach, or get help, talk to people who are in business that are able to offer some good advice, be open-minded, even if it is reading a few books and get some tips. If you have any tax questions or accounting questions, or if there's anything we can do to help, please always reach out to us. Call us at 832-295-3353. Otherwise, we will appreciate it very much if you can like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.